Ever wonder where your hard-earned money disappears to? You check your bank account and poof, it's gone, almost like it's vanishing into thin air. You're not alone if you feel like. Your wallet has a mind of its own. It's a common frustration, and honestly, it can feel overwhelming trying to track every penny. But what if I told you that your money isn't just vanishing, it's actually leaking out through small, unnoticed cracks? Imagine your finances are like a bucket of water. If there are tiny holes, the water slowly drains away, even if you keep refilling it. These little leaks are your unnecessary expenses, slowly but surely emptying your savings. Today, we're going to grab a wrench and plug those money leaks. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to identify where your cash is seeping out and, more importantly, how to stop it so you can save more for what truly matters. Let's tackle our next money leak. Those sneaky subscriptions. You know, the streaming service you rarely watch, the gym membership you haven't used in months, or that app you signed up for once and forgot about. They're like tiny, automatic money siphons. Even small monthly fees add up fast. Imagine you have just 3 unused subscriptions, each costing only $5 a month. That's a total of $15 every single month just vanishing into thin air. Over a year, those 3 subscriptions alone would cost you a whopping $180. Think about it, that's almost $200 you could have saved or invested, all from things you weren't even using. Take a few minutes this week to review your bank statements and identify any recurring charges. Cancel anything you don't actively use or truly value. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Next up, let's talk about the impulse buy trap. You know, that moment you're browsing online or in a store and suddenly something shiny catches your eye. Before you know it, it's in your cart and your wallet feels a little lighter. Impulse buys often hit us when we're bored, stressed, or just trying to treat ourselves. The problem is, these quick purchases add up fast, often for things we don't truly need or even want a week later. To combat this, try the 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases. If you see something you want, wait a full day before buying it. Often that initial urge fades and you realize you don't need it after all. This simple trick can save you a surprising amount. Imagine avoiding just 2 or 3 impulse buys a month. That alone could save you an average of $50 every single month. That's $600 a year back in your pocket. Next up, let's talk about the biggest money drain for many of us: food. Eating out, grabbing takeout, or even daily coffee runs can quietly eat up a huge chunk of your budget. It's often where the biggest savings opportunity hides, right in plain sight. Think about it. A quick lunch out might cost you $10, $15. Now compare that to packing a homemade sandwich and some fruit for just a couple of dollars. That small daily choice makes a massive difference over time. Just by packing your lunch 3 times a week instead of buying it, you could easily save $75 a month. That's almost $900 a year, just from making a few sandwiches. Imagine what you could do with that extra cash. To really cut down, try the "do I need this" test. Before you buy something, pause for a second. Ask yourself, is this a need like food, shelter, or transportation? Or is it a want, something nice to have, but not essential? Imagine you're eyeing a new coffee mug with a funny slogan. It's cute, but do you already have mugs? The test helps you see you already have a functional mug. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices. If it's a clear need, go for it. If it's a want, especially one you didn't plan for, challenge that purchase. This simple mental framework helps you distinguish between necessities and impulse desires, stopping those small leaks. So there you have it. Identifying and cutting those small, unnecessary expenses isn't about deprivation. It's about unlocking your personal savings superpower. Each little leak you plug, whether it's an unused subscription or an impulse snack, adds up to significant savings over time. You now have the tools to turn those tiny money drips into a steady stream of savings. Remember, it's not about making huge sacrifices overnight. It's about making small, consistent, smart choices that build momentum. Your challenge this week: pick just one tip from this video and try it. Maybe review your subscriptions or implement the 24-hour rule before your next purchase. You'll be amazed at the difference it makes. Ready to save more and stress less? Subscribe to Penny Wise for more simple, honest money advice delivered straight to you every week. Let's make your money work harder for you.